Welcome back once again, student, in your online science class. Here Gopal Srivastav. Good morning, everyone. Student, yesterday I have completed your one topic in chapter number 6, soil. What is soil and how soil is formed? Soil and formation of soil. What is soil and formation of soil? And what does soil contains? What does soil contains? Now, student, today we will learn about the types of soil. Types of soil. So let us start the new topics, types of soil. So open your science book, chapter number 6, and see types of soil. Class 4, subject science, topic types of soil. Types of soil. Student, now get ready to learn the types of soil. In previous classes, I have discussed about the what does soil contains. So student, in the previous classes I have already discussed about the soil contains the sand, silt and clay. Sand, silt and clay. Except this, the gravels, pebbles and air, moisture are also found in the soil. Okay. So today, according to these sand, silt and clay types of soil, so thus size of particles, their texture and capacity to hold water. Soil are found mainly in three types. Sandy, slitty and clay. Sandy, Clayey. Okay. Sandy, slitty, silty and clay. On the basis of their size of the particles, their texture, okay, soil can be divided into the three types. Size, texture. First of sandy soil. Second and third. Sandy soil. These types of soil, the particles are very large, and there are many space are found in between this soil. So holding of water capacity is very poor. Water cannot hold in this soil. They drain out from this soil. So this types of soil is not very useful for the farming. And there is no moisture are also available in these types of soil. So when we rub this sandy soil, it feels rough and gritty. Sand does not hold enough water. So what is the use of this sandy soil? So this sandy soil is very useful for the growing coconut, and मूंगफली. This is called groundnut. And student, this is also useful for the growing the potato, muskmelon, and generally watermelon, and also used for making building. Okay student, so sandy soil is very useful for growing the coconut, groundnut, potato, muskmelon, watermelon, which is where it is found in the bank of the river, where many vegetables are also grown in that particular area. Watermelon, muskmelon, very well, and it is very useful for the constructing of the buildings. So used for making buildings also. Okay. Now student, we are going to second silty soil. Okay, silty soils is much smaller than the sandy soil, and it holds some water, some moisture, and it holds some humus also, make it fertile. So the size of particles of silty soil are much smaller than the sandy soil. So write down silty sandy soil and clay. When it dry, it form a powder like filling, and very medium in size. Medium size. Okay. So it will drain the whole moisture. Will drain and hold moisture and nutrients. It is very useful for growing fruits and vegetables. Cabbage, CABBA, turnip, cabbage, turnip, and raspberry, blackberry, blackberries, 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 citrus tree, and pomegranate. Okay student, now silty soil. What is the size of the silty soil? Medium size. First of all, here I am also write down medium size. And what is the texture? Means it drain the water but hold the moisture and nutrients. So we can grow the different types of the vegetables and fruits in this silty soils. It is made of the sandy soil and clay soil. So silty soil is made by the sandy soil and clay soil. So it is useful for growing the fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. In vegetables we can grow in this soil like cabbage, turnip, cabbage and turnip. This is very useful for the growing the vegetables, and fruits like raspberries and blackberries, pomegranate and so many other small plants of the fruit can grow in the silty soil. Now we will discuss about the clay soil. So clay soil is very smooth to touch. And what is the feeling of this silty soil? When it dry up, it just like touching to feel of the powdery feeling. And when it mixed with water, it is very sticky in nature. They stick to your vehicles. Now we will discuss about the next clay soil. Clay soil is very smooth soil, very fertile soil, very useful soil for farming, because it's the medium of this soil is very finest part. Finest particles means very small particles. Then sandy and slitty soils. Sandy soils particles is much bigger than silty soil, then clay soil. So clay soils very small particle soil, slitty medium and sandy very big soil. Okay student? Now clay soil can hold water but it cannot drawn allowed. Hold water. Not allowed to drain means does not allow much air or water to pass through. Does not allow to pass air and water. Air and water to pass through. So it is not suitable for growing most plants. So it is not suitable to grow most of plant. Okay student, because it hold water, hold air and water, air. So this types of soil is not very useful for growing the plants. Okay. So but paddy, however paddy can grow in this types of soil. It is also used for make the pots and toys. So it is used for making pots and toys, and it is useful for growing paddy, means rice plant. Paddy can grow because it hold more water. So paddy paddy cereals are required more water for well growing. Okay student, now we will discuss the next useful soil, that is called loamy soil. Write down student, loamy, Loamy, because it is the combination of two soil. It is the combination of two soil. Fourth, loamy. What is the loamy soil? So loamy soil consists of sand, clay and silt. Consists of sand, silt and clay. Okay student, it also contain enough humus plus HUMUS. So it is very useful for growing plants. So it is good water holding capacity. It is good water holding capacity and has sufficient airspace and have SUFF5 sufficient air space. So it is best soil for growing plants. Because student, in this soil means loamy soil has enough space for holding air and water. So it is very useful for growing all types of plants like sugarcane, wheat, maize, mustard and many leguminous plants. So loamy soil is the best soil for the growing plants. Okay. Student, you can queries any topics, any problems on my personal mobile number. Okay. So try to understood once again about the three types of soil. Just revise. I have given 1 minute to revise the three types. What is the medium of soil? Medium of the particles. What is the texture? And what types of the plant can grow in that particular types of soil. Revise once again student. I am giving 1 minute. Now I am going to explain the next topic. What is soil profile? Means what is the layer of soil? Layer of soil means soil form a different layer beneath the upper surface of the earth. Upper surface, then this a layer is found, that is another surface, a new surface is also formed, this is called another surface. So we will explain about the how many types of soil profile. How many layers are found in the soil? So soil profile refer to the layer of soil. Refer to layer of soil. This is called soil profile. Soil profile. Because soil is made up of the different layers. Soil profile means the layer of soil. Refer to layers of soil. Because soil made up of the distinct layer. Because soil made the distinct layers. Distinct layers. So each layer horizon has their own characteristics. So each layer have their own characteristics. Each layer has their own characteristics. So generally, three types of horizon is called horizon. Called horizon. HORIZON or layer of soil. Now I am going to draw a small diagram of the layer of soil. Suppose some plants are grown. This is the uppermost layer of the soil. Where plants are grown in this horizon. This is called O horizon. Where very thin horizon. I will explain, but first of all, you will draw this. This is the first horizon where the plants can grow. This is the dark in color. Where different types of soils are found in this layer. This is called A horizon. HORIZON. A horizon. First I'll draw this. B horizon, and third is C horizon. This is bedrock. This is called C horizon. This is called topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. Okay, student, draw this and practice it in your homework copy. I think your time is going to over. So write down today's homework. I will be explain all types of topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. What is the characteristics of each layer in your next online classes. So write down homework. Read types of soil. First, second, draw soil profile in your homework copy. Okay, student, write down this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Class is over. Write down this. Thank you.